Let's take a look at the Wu coin, today's number one top gainer coin by far, making over 20-30% gain in a single day. This was a nice and easy trade setup if you have followed the masterclass steps. Let's start from the weekly and go down to the minute-based charts and discuss everything in extreme detail. Let's take a look at the Wu coin, today's number one top gainer coin by far, making over 20-30% gain in a single day. This was a nice and easy trade setup if you have followed the masterclass steps. Let's start from the weekly and go down to the minute-based charts and discuss everything in extreme detail. First of all, from the weekly candles, you can see this coin was in a strong rally for weeks. Buyers dominated the sellers recently. We have these two significant weekly imbalances that may pull the price. As you remember, imbalances and gaps act like magnets and pulls the price. Moreover, imbalances and gaps enjoy being filled. However, for the empty imbalances, I consider them as strong momentum. Because one side is extremely dominant, there was no time to fill the imbalance. As you can see, the strong momentum imbalance. When you open the daily chart, you can see more precise imbalances and more room to be filled. As you already know, other jobs of the imbalance provide the market the necessary fuel to rally. In this case, this imbalance acts as fuel, a gas station, and ignites the daily rally. So, we have a strong bullish bias on this coin. But the bias is only one small piece in the puzzle. We need to check the other parts. Next, the masterclass momentum layout. Without momentum, there is no rally. Momentum and rallies are generally ignited by inner imbalances, mostly based on hourly or high-minute based charts. As you can see, price makes its first gigantic rally. Then it slows down. Then it's pulling back to its imbalance areas to get more horsepower. This double tap of imbalances where we gather necessary fuel if there will be a secondary rally. Now, everything is clear here. Let's check the area in the lower time frames and discuss it further. In this 1 minute chart, I have seen one of the most clear setups ever we can trade. Very simple and very straightforward. This yellow point is where we have our double imbalance taps from the momentum layout we just recently seen. Look what happens later on. A market structure breaks with an imbalance area. And this is a clear 2-hour setup to take. The market continues to rally later on, but we cut the trade. Why? If you want to survive in this trading game, you must take out your profits at certain levels and be consistent with your targets. Greed and hope are your biggest enemies. Leave some runners if you truly wish it for. I do it most of the time. Okay friends, a quick recap today. Very nice and educational video. See you next time and please take care. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.